Alam mo yung camera na kasya sa bulsa, pero pang cinematic ang output? Well, mas lalo pa siyang lalakas because paparating na ang DJI Osmo Pocket 4 at based sa leaks, this might be the biggest upgrade yet. So yes, officially nag-test na si DJI ng bagong Osmo Pocket based sa IG post nila, i-aanyos nila ito ng April 16 this year. Sa design, mukhang familiar pero expect refinement, not reinvention. Compact pa rin, pocketable, and syempre nandyan pa rin yung signature 3-axis gimbal stabilization ng DJI. Possible din na mas improve yung build at mas optimized for vertical shooting. Perfect for TikTok creators. Now, here's the exciting part, the camera upgrade. Based sa leaks specs, possible na may 1-inch sensor or improved version nito for better low light performance at enhanced dynamic range. Kung maalala mo, yung Osmo Pocket 3, sobrang solid na nun for content creators. Pero itong Pocket 4, mukhang mas focus sa imaging technology, meaning mas cinematic, mas sharp at mas kulay pro level ang output. Hindi mawawala yung smart features. Expected upgrades include the improved active track or subject tracking, better autofocus system, enhanced stabilization na mas smooth pa at possible ay AA-powered shooting modes. At syempre, baka mas mabilis na rin ang processing for real-time content creation. For creators, malaking bagay din ang audio. Based sa leaks, possible na may improved built-in microphones at better wireless mic compatibility, meaning ready na siya for vlogging, interviews, at kahit quick TikTok shoots. No extra setup needed. So overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 looks like a refinement beast. Hindi siya total redesign pero lahat ng important features ay upgraded. Kung content creator ka, this might be your next go-to pocket camera. So abang-abang na lang tayo sa official launch dahil mukhang malapit na talaga. Gusto mo bang makita side-by-side comparison with Pocket 3? Comment mo lang compare sa comments. Yun lang. Bye-bye.